What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner breaking class, where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. All right, today's move we're going to work on is a footwork move I like to call the step over and back. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dancing to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. All right, so the step over and step back is a cool front-facing footwork movement you can use to create speed and also rock the beat. So you can kind of break this down into 4 movements, okay? So the first movement is going to be our left leg stepping over, okay? So that's where we go step over part of the name of the move comes from. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna step over with my left, and then from here, I'm gonna use this right foot to step back. That's the step back part. So I'm gonna step back, and then I'm just gonna adjust my foot to the front, and I'm gonna switch my arm to the left. Okay, so 4 movements. Again, so the first movement, number 1, is the step over. Second movement is the step back. That's my reset, making sure we're on our toe, not on flat on our foot, but on our toe, sitting down. Then from here, I just adjust my foot to the front, and then my last movement is just switching my arm. Okay, so we don't switch our arm until our leg on the same arm is out straight. Okay, so notice my left leg is out, so my left arm wants to go down. From here, I'm stepping over with my right, so right, my left foot comes back, again, tucking under, making sure we're sitting on it, and then I adjust to the front here, and then I switch my arm. So again, I'm on my right side, so let's try that left side one more time. So if I'm on my left, again, I'm stepping over with my right, so this goes right, step back with my left, making sure I'm resetting and sitting on it, reset to the front, and then I switch my arm. So let's try to put that together from right to left. So from here, this goes left over, right back, front, arm, right over, left back, front, arm. So notice that I am slightly lifting up my hip just to get over to the other side. You can keep it low if you want to. It's really kind of a stylistic choice for you. So as I'm going to each side, I am going onto the toe of this one, almost like I'm going for a Zulu spin or a CC, but it's almost like I'm stopping myself and then coming back to the other side. So it's a cool little switch direction movement. So again, I'm going left, step back, reset, left arm, right, step back, reset, right arm. Let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is step, back, reset, arm, step, back, reset, arm. All right, so once you have that down, now let's try to put it together with counts. So we're gonna do a slow version, which is just using the whole count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna speed it up 1 and 2 and. But the movement itself stays the same. It's just your speed is changing. So starting with our right leg out. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Speeded it up. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Alright, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to hit that subscription button right now and also hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we have videos dropping just like this. Alright, so key takeaways from this one. For the first one, for your straight leg, as I'm going to each side, I am rolling over to the side on my toe like I'm going for a CC or a Zulu spin, okay? So you don't have to stay on your heel necessarily. I'm kind of going with the flow with my body, and as I cross over, that's when I'm rolling onto the side of my foot or on my toe. Second one is whenever we reset, we want to make sure we're still on our toe, sitting on top of our heel and not flat-footed, right? So once we go flat-footed, we're kind of heavier and it kind of brings our body down. It's just going to slow us down, okay? And number 3, you could kind of treat it as faster or slower, right? There's nothing wrong with going whole counts 1, 2, 3, 4 or speeding it up 1 and 2 and. It's really up to you, and that's really what makes this move really cool to do. Alright, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!